Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy fitness equipment with Bowflex, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with deploying your Bowflex fitness equipment, first, gather all necessary tools and equipment from the packaging. Open the Bowflex box carefully and check that all components are included. Review the assembly manual to familiarize yourself with each part and its purpose. Find a clear, spacious area to set up your equipment, ensuring there is adequate room around it for safe use. Begin by assembling the base of the machine according to the manual's instructions. Secure all bolts and screws tightly to ensure stability. Next, attach the main frame to the base, ensuring it is aligned correctly. Follow the guide to install any additional components, such as pulleys and adjustable arms. Check that all moving parts are functioning smoothly and are properly secured. Once the main structure is fully assembled, set the resistance levels according to your fitness needs. Adjust the seat or standing position to ensure comfort during workouts. Plug in the machine if required, and ensure all electronic displays are functioning. Familiarize yourself with the control panel and any preset programs available. Test the equipment with light resistance to ensure everything operates correctly. Make any necessary adjustments to settings for optimal performance. Finally, take a moment to read through safety precautions before starting your workout. You are now ready to begin your fitness journey with Bowflex equipment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.